Hi, it's Clare here. Now, I want to let you know about something I'm doing to help support you and to help hold that space for all of us who, frankly, are going through some stuff right now, yeah? Today, as I record this live, is the first day of the not called a lockdown in the UK. And I know for a lot of people, this is hugely concerning, even potentially traumatic, and it's certainly something that's going to go down in the history books. So I'm promising that as often as I can manage it, I will be here at 8:45 on weekdays for you for the coming months to support you, to inspire you, to share the self-mentoring questions that I would be asking you if we were working one-to-one, to bring you techniques from my books and from my courses to help you to do more than cope, to do more than survive, so you can come out the other side of this feeling whole, healthy, and hopeful. And today, I want to talk to you about my number one strategy for thriving instead of surviving when things like the not called a lockdown happen. What happens, is this stuff goes round in our heads and we get stuck in the drama stories and we're telling ourselves stories about how awful it could be and how worried we are. And we start what ifing. What if this happens? What if that happens? How am I going to do everything? This fires off the fight, flight, freeze response in the body that cares about survival. It restricts the blood flow to the frontal cortex of the brain that comes up with your great ideas and your solutions. It means we all very quickly end up being what's called hypervigilant, on constant lookout for threats. If we're working from home, for example, and juggling childcare because the kids aren't at school, and worried about everything else, this has a direct effect on our mental, physical, and emotional health. And there is a strategy that I use when stuff like this happens, and believe me, I've already used it today, that I want to teach you right now. And that is the point of the Stay Sane with Clare slot we're going to do every morning at 8:45 on weekdays. The whole idea behind it is for us to be able to reconnect with that sense of calm, with our natural rather than forced resilience, and being able to protect our mental, physical, and emotional health, and to come as close as we can to thriving rather than surviving through these difficult times. So, today's technique: if your head has been going stir crazy with the stress, the worry, and the anxiety, the key is to get out of your head and back into your body. When the mind's doing all of this stuff, and it's firing off the biochemical reactions in the body that create stress, that fight, flight, freeze, and fear, that triggers our emotions and that feeds more like-minded thoughts. So you want to be able to press pause on this. The simple, easiest way you can do it is a deep breath in and out with a sigh. And I invite you right now, if it's safe for you, just to close your eyes for a moment. Become aware of your thoughts. And I want you to place your hand on the top of your head. As you breathe in, imagine that all of those thoughts are passing into your hand. And you bring it down the front of your body to your diaphragm area. So it's just below the rib cage, okay? And just imagine you're bringing that awareness, that thinking, that overthinking down to the rib cage, and place both hands on your stomach and just give your mind the instruction, just for one moment, settle. And I want you to imagine that you can breathe in and out of that belly area, allowing your shoulders to relax, your jaw to relax, the tension around your eyes to soften, the tension in your throat to soften. And allow for the next few moments your full awareness to rest on the physical sensations of breathing in your belly area below your hands. And a lovely mantra to use with this is, I am here now. I am here now. I am here now. And what this simple practice does is it brings you back into this moment. Doing it for 60 seconds calms the nervous system. It calms the mind, the body, and the emotions. I am here now. I'm going to be sharing lots more techniques with you over the coming days as you prepare to release this practice, knowing you can come back to it any time, just guiding the thoughts back down to the belly. I am here now, focusing on your breathing. When you're ready, opening your eyes. I'm going to be sharing more techniques so that you've got what you need to be able to do more than cope, to be able to get through the challenges and the unprecedented levels of change we're currently facing. So if you found the I am here now technique helpful today, please let me know, leave me a comment. Please help spread the word. Share this video with people. I'm not taking it down. It's publicly accessible. Hashtag Stay Sane with Claire. And I've got a question for you today. What one thing could you do today that would help you to feel a tiny bit more positive? What could you celebrate? What could you do? Let's hold on to what we can of normal life while we accept and flow through these changes. What one thing to do could you do today that would help you to feel more positive? And let me know via the comments. Stay Sane with Claire is going to be back tomorrow morning at 8:45 when I'm going to teach you another technique that you can use to help yourself feel naturally resilient and to keep your cool and to flow through the changes we're going through. And if you're around at 10 o'clock today, if you're watching this video the day I've recorded it on Tuesday the 24th of March, I've lost the day of the week already, yeah? 10 o'clock today, I am doing a 90-minute workshop on the resilience myth, how to naturally bounce back in challenging times. It would normally be paid. It's yours as my gift. You need to be on the list to get it. It's at clarejosa.com/resilience myth. That's CLAREJOSA.com/resilience myth. If you found this useful, please let me know via the comments. Please share it. Show up tomorrow at 8:45. I'll be here for you each weekday doing whatever I can to help. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe and it will automatically let you know that another session is coming. If you're watching this on Facebook, please follow me if we're not already connected, and it will let you know when I go live tomorrow. So I hope you found that useful. Thank you so much. I'll be back tomorrow with another Stay Sane with Claire.